Hi friends. My name is Kupish. And you are watching Excel Connect. Today we will talk on web browsers. Because we spend lots of time on browser. In personal as well as in professional life. This session may be lengthy. But I promise you will get more information from it. So, I request you kindly see the video till the end. Sometimes I want to show why I use Microsoft Edge in my daily browsing. Instead of Google Chrome, Microsoft has completely changed the Edge browser. And now it has the same platform as Chrome. It means all the extensions, which are available in Chrome and Opera earlier, now they are available in Edge also. Apart from them, I will tell you 13 new features, which are available in Edge. You tell me what your favorites are. First one is Bing with AI functionality. Yes, now Microsoft Edge have AI functionality like ChatGPT. For this, you have click on the Bing icon. As you click on it, if you have not signed in with a Microsoft account, it will ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, like live.com or outlook.com or msn.com, you can log in with that account. But, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create a new one. It's pretty simple and easy as you create a Google account. After signing in, you can use Bing with AI. It will open a sidebar. Here you will find 3 options: Chat, Compose, Insight. Let's talk about chat. You can chat with AI and ask anything. For example, I ask him to tell me something about India, and you will see it will start searching about India. It searches on the web and shows you the result. It will also show the suggested website, where you can find out more information about your search. Second is Compose. Here you can compose your message. You can compose it in professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational and funny. You can choose your format also. It can be paragraph, email, blog post or some idea. You can choose the length of that message also. For example, I will ask him to write an email for sick leave. I select the tone as professional, format as email, and the length is short, and click on Generate Draft, and it will start generating. You can copy it directly from here. It suggests different editing options also, like add more details, change the subject, or remove the apology from your message. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate the email message by clicking on the Regenerate Draft button. As you click it, it will regenerate the draft in a different way. Third is Insight. As you click on Insight button, it will give you insight from the web page, which is currently open in the browser. Like here, it shows the buying option for Microsoft Surface, about Microsoft, and other insights. As you switch on different page, it will start giving you insight from that page automatically. Second one is privacy level. Microsoft has a completely different policy for Edge, that it is not for advertisement. So, you can change your privacy level. For this, you have to click on ellipse. Go to Settings. Click on Privacy. Here you can select your privacy option for you. Balanced is the default option. Each option has its own settings for browsing like ads, trackers, site performance, and viewing experience. Third is Immersive Reader. Edge has an inbuilt Immersive Reader option. As you open a website, you will see a book icon in the address bar. As you click on that, it's open in book view. The shortcut key is F9. It's eliminated ads of this page, so that you can concentrate on your content. As you click on Read Aloud, it will start reading web page for you. By clicking on Voice option, you can select voice speed. You can select the voice option also for different languages. If you click on Text Preference, you will find that you can select text size, font type, alignment, and theme also. You can select dark theme also from here. For coming on normal view, you again have to click on book icon. Fourth is PDF editor. Edge has the inbuilt functionality of PDF editing. You can directly drag and drop a PDF file in Microsoft Edge. As it opens, you have multiple options for editing. You can highlight anything in PDF. You can choose the color and thickness of highlighter. You can also draw anything. You can select the color and thickness of brush. You can also add and text in this PDF by clicking on Text button. As you click it, text box is enabled. You can select the location where you want to add text. You can select text color, text size, text spacing. You can delete the text box also by clicking on Delete. As you click on the Read Aloud button, it will start reading PDF for you. You can zoom in and zoom out from the plus and minus button. You can also rotate your PDF with the help of the Rotate button. You can change the page view also with help of Page View button. As you click it, you have two options: one page view and two page view. As you click on two page view, it will look like a book. After all editing, you can print it or save it directly from Edge. Fifth is Math Solver. For enabling this option, you have click on ellipse, go to Settings, click on Appearance, scroll it down, and enable Math Solver button. As you enable it, it will show in your toolbar. Let's have an example. This is a PDF, and I have a question in it. I need its answer to this question. I want to know the value of x according to this question. Click on the Math Solver button. Click on Select Math Problem. Select Problem from PDF. And it will start reading question with the help of inbuilt OCR function. Now I get the value of x, which is 6. You can see the complete solution of this. Scroll it down. You can also see suggested video content of related problems. You can also send this solution by copying it from here. Sixth is Web Capture. With the help of Web Capture, you can take a screenshot of a selected area of web page or complete web page. You have click on ellipse, scroll it down, and click on Web Capture option. You can pin it in the web toolbar. For this, you have to right-click on Web Capture option and select Show in Toolbar. Now you can select Capture Area or capture a full page. After capturing it, you can annotate your capture. You can change the color of the ink and thickness of brush. After all editing, you can save it, copy it, and share it directly from here. Seventh is Pin web page in Taskbar. With the help of this option, you can pin a web page in your taskbar. For example, I have to open this web page every hour. So, I will pin this web page in my taskbar. Next time, I will be able to open this web page directly from Taskbar. For this, You have click on ellipse. Scroll it down. And click on the More Tools option. Then you have to click on Pin to Taskbar. It will save more time. 8th is Web Apps. With the help of this option, you can create a web app. Yes, it's right. You listen correctly. Edge gives me a freedom to create an app. For creating a web app, you have to click on ellipse. Scroll it down. And click on Apps option. Then you have to select, Install this site as an app. As you click it, it will open in a new window. You can pin it in the Start window, as well as in the taskbar. Now this website will behave like an app. For disabling it, you have to click on ellipse. Scroll it down. And click on Apps option. Then click on the Manage App. You have to click on ellipse. And select Uninstall. 9th is QR code generator. Yes, Edge has inbuilt QR code generator for Webpage. In the address bar, you have QR code icon. As you click on it, it will generate a QR code for the current web page. You can scan it in your mobile phone and open that same web page in your mobile quickly. You can copy QR code or can download QR code as image directly from here. You can share it with your friends and colleagues so that they can access web page quickly. 10th is switching between tabs with Alt plus Tab. We use Alt plus Tab for switching between Windows different apps, or folders, or files. But in browsers didn't have this functionality between tabs. Now Edge has functionality that we can use Alt plus Tab for switching between tabs. As you switch between tabs manually, you can switch with Alt plus Tab also. Eleventh is vertical tabs. Usually, we have tabs like that. But in this option, we can't see the clear information about web page. But Edge has vertical tabs option also. For enabling this, you have click on Tab Action menu button in left top corner of your screen and select Turn on Vertical Tabs option. As you click it, all of your tabs will see you vertically. If you want to focus on the web page, you can collapse pane by clicking on arrow. As hover over, you can see more information about web page. You can switch again in horizontal view by clicking on Tab Action menu button and select Turn off Vertical Tabs option. Twelfth is group tabs. In Microsoft Edge, you can group multiple tabs. For this, you have to right-click on tab and select Add tab to new group. You can rename the group and can change the color also. For adding more tab in group, you have right-click on the tab and select Add tab to new group. Here you can select the existing group and can generate new group. After adding two tabs, you can directly drag and drop the tab between two tabs, and it's directly added in that group. With vertical tabs options, you will get a better view and also can organize your tabs better. For ungrouping it, you have right-click on group and select ungroup. Thirteenth is collection of websites. In Microsoft Edge, you can make a collection of websites. For this, you have to click on the collection button. If the button is not showing in your toolbar, you have to pin it in toolbar. For this, you have click on ellipse, scroll it down, and click on the More Tools option. Then you have to right-click on collection and select Show in Toolbar. Now it will show in toolbar. As you click on Collection button, it will open a slide bar. You have to click on Start New Collection. You can rename it. Let's rename it as Vacation. For example, I am planning for a vacation. I have to make a new collection of web pages for vacation. Now I will add web page by clicking on Add Current Page. Now, I will add another page to this collection by clicking on the Add Current Page. I will add one more page also to this collection by clicking on the Add Current Page. You can also add a note for future in this. You have to click on Add Note, and you can now mention your message in it. You can also add pictures to this collection. For this, you have to right-click on that image, scroll down, and select Add to Collection. From here you can select your existing collection, or you can create a new collection, and the image will be stored in that collection. The best thing is, you can share this collection in your Excel, Word, OneNote. For this, you have to select that collection. Click on ellipse and select your app where you want to share it. You can also copy it and paste it in your Outlook also, and send it to your friends or colleagues. 14th is Browser Task Manager. We use Windows Task Manager for controlling and managing apps in our computer. But, do you listen about Task Manager for browser? Yes, you listen correctly. Edge has its own Task Manager. To check it, you have to click on ellipse, scroll it down, and click on the More Tools option. Then you have to click on Browser Task Manager. It will show you all website and extensions which are currently running or open in your browser. It's behaved like Windows Task Manager. If any website is not responding properly, you can directly close it from here. For this you have to select it and click on End Process. With all these options and functionality, I became a huge fan of Microsoft Edge. And I hope you also find new features here that you can apply in your daily browsing. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite among all features? So, enjoy this. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Stay connected for more informative videos.